Hi everybody, this is Mark.
And Holly Jansen from Jansen Photo Expeditions.
Today we'd like to talk about street photography a little bit because we have a workshop coming up in a couple of weeks in San Francisco, and I wanted to touch base on the gear a little bit.
So you can use any number of capture devices. You can use a high-end digital SLR, you can use a smartphone, or even a film camera. I shoot with a mirrorless. I don't have my mirrorless here, but any number of capture devices, right?
Yeah, right. But the main thing is, no matter what you use, just make sure it's compact and small. Now if you have a big old DSLR like this, I always suggest throwing on a small lens, a 50 to a 35. And of course, with the film camera, 35 or 50 on that as well. The ultimate device would be the iPhone, but we much prefer using our cameras where we can look through the lens and take a shot.
And so the main thing about street photography is you don't want to have like a big old lens in somebody's faces. You want to be kind of small, indiscreet, that if you want to just take a quick shot and not bother anybody, you can do that.
Yeah.
But the other great thing about street photography is you can go up to people on the streets and say, hey, can I take a picture of you?
Yeah, and the worst thing that can ever happen is they can say no, and my gosh, your world's not going to collapse if someone doesn't want to pose for a shot. I always suggest engaging with people beforehand before taking their photo, especially if you're going to be getting in close.
And you get a much better shot that way. Anyway.
Totally, you totally do.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a little bit about straps, camera straps. There's these sling straps that are always great. You just got to make sure your camera can support them, because you can keep it on your side, and bring it up quickly for a shot, and then move on quickly.
At any rate, make sure that your straps don't have any kind of identifying marks that show you have a high-end digital SLR.
Most definitely.
You just want to keep kind of a low profile on the street.
Yeah, low profile. And also, I always put black tape over some of the markings on the camera, so they don't know if you have they don't see a brand, so everyone's gonna it's always good to do that. And wear darker clothing, and as you're moving through the streets.
So our next street photography workshop is in San Francisco. San Francisco is a fun and
it's a great place to go.
City. You never know what's going to come roaring down the hill, and you got to be ready at any moment.
Oh my God, yeah, it's just a fun place to go. So if you want to join us in San Francisco, we have a spot left, I think, on that workshop, and give us a call or go to our website, and you can find out more information about it.
If you'd like any kind of information about what kind of gear, what kind of lenses to use, and some of our other upcoming workshops, check us out
at JansenPhotoExpeditions.com. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you.